So we have the 7th root of x cubed all over the 4th root of x to the power of 3. So we want to resolve this. Let's recall, when we have the square root of x, this is 2 and is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2 because there is power 1 here. And when I have the cube root of x, x is to the power of 1 and this is equal to x to the power of 1 over 3. So this will become x to the power of 3 over 7 all over x to the power of 3 over 4. Now from law of indices, when I have a to the power of n over a to the power of m, since we have the same base here, this is the same as a to the power of n minus m. So we have our x as the base. We have x to the power of, we have 3 over 7 minus, we have 3 over 4. So resolving this fraction, we have 3 over 7 minus 3 over 4. So the LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. 28 divided by 7, we have 4 times 3. Minus 28 divided by 4, we have 7 times 3. So we have 12 minus 21 all over 28, which is equal to minus 9 over 28. So our x, we have that x to the power of minus 9 over 28. But a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power of n. So our x to the power of minus 9 over 28 is equal to 1 over x to the power of 9 over 28. Hence, we conclude that the 7th root of x to the power of 3 all over the 4th root of x to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over x to the power of 9 over 28. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.